Hey gang, welcome to another episode of Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on social media, all those lovely places. Woo! This is the April 2020 Birchbox. Birchbox tip number 200. Look for lip products with peppermint oil for a plumping effect. Let's go play with some products now. So hey, got the April 2020 Birchbox here. Apparently they got rid of themes. I don't know, because there's no theme here. But hey, it says start a new chapter with these products. So I guess we're going to start a new chapter without themes, or I'll make up a theme, or who knows. Anyway, we've got the Ibby Beauty City Limit eyeshadow. It's a champagne shade. You can use it all over as a base. You could probably use it as a highlighter too. Let's see if we're going to use it here as a eyeshadow. Let's see what we can do here. There we go, very light. There we go. Awesome. So that's the eyeshadow. Then we've got, and I'm not going to open it, it's Marcelle Extension Plus Curl Mascara. It says you can skip the eyelash curler. The only mascara that I've found that actually makes this claim, and is true so far, is Benefit Roller Lash. So we're going to hold on to this. We're going to see and compare. Maybe that'll be a separate video. Then we've got R&Co High Dive. It is a moisture and shine cream formulated to smooth and seal the hair cuticle. Softens and fights frizz. So you're supposed to put it on towel dried hair before styling. Okay. I like that. I like anything I can put in before towel drying. Then we have, oh, I love these iPads. These are so great. So they are Wilma Schumann Skincare, European skincare. So these, I'm telling you, put them in the fridge and then put them on your eyes. It's gonna leave like cooling effect. Now here's a little tip I do when I travel. Get yourself some ice, put them on top. I did this in my hotel. If you don't have a fridge in your hotel, put them in a cup, put them on ice, like, put ice around them, and then take them out. Travel hack, but we're not traveling right now, so. Then we've got Stila Cosmetics. I think this was actually my sample choice. It's in Synergy. Yeah, it was my, because I picked it because I'm a huge nerd and I love Jim and the Holograms, and it said Synergy, and I was like, all right, hello. So, let's see here. Ah, yeah. Ooh, I enjoy this. Ah, this may be one of my new favorites. It's an iridescent pink. However, okay, I don't like that. The lid doesn't want to, oh, there we go. That's how you do it. Okay, so you got technology. Then finally, Juliette has a gun. I love their perfume. It's called Sunny Side Up, which just so happens to be how I like my eggs. It's supposed to be woodsy and creamy. Okay, sandalwood with rich coconut milk. The fragrance. Now, I've never heard this used to describe a perfume. It's equal parts crispy and warm. Crispy and warm. Oh, Now I get how crispy and warm. Like it kind of hits you, but then it's like the undertones are like very subtle. Okay, so that is the April. There's where you can follow me. And until next time, stay beautiful.